Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today, the present perfect and the present perfect continuous. As you know, we use the present perfect simple to talk about something that happened before the time of speaking, before now. For example, we've washed the dishes. We have, we've washed the dishes. Have plus third form. Past participle, we've washed the dishes. Sometime before now, they're dry, they're back in the cupboard, ready to be used again. Or, we've eaten all the fruit. It's all gone. Sometime before speaking, we ate everything, gone, finished, nothing left to eat. We've eaten all the fruit. We use the present perfect continuous to focus on the length of time it took to do those things. For example, I've been washing dishes for the last hour. I've been washing. I've been washing dishes for the last half hour, and I'm fed up. Have plus been, the third form of the verb to be was been, and then the ing form, I've been washing. Or, I've been eating fruit since 2 o'clock, and now I want an ice cream. Because the present perfect continuous focuses on the length of time it took to do the action, we use it when we feel a little bit irritated, a tiny bit angry. For example, imagine you're waiting at the bus stop and you haven't seen a bus for ages, so you can say, we've been waiting here, we've been waiting here for over half an hour. Shall we get a taxi? Or a parent speaking to their child. You've been playing on that computer since 7 o'clock, it's time to go to bed. And remember, there's one very important thing about the ing form, the continuous form. It's temporary, so we can use it to give a different feeling to a sentence. Have a look at these 2 examples. I've lived in Portugal for 7 years, and I've been living in Portugal for 7 years. They mean more or less the same thing, but the present perfect simple form gives the impression that you will stay in Portugal forever. It's your new home. I have lived in Portugal for 7 years. The feeling is that you will stay much, much longer. I've been living in Portugal for 7 years. Because of the temporary feeling of ing, there's a feeling that the situation may be temporary and that you may go to another country or back to England or wherever sometime in the not too distant future. So, present perfect simple and present perfect continuous. With Uncle Geoff's help, it's pretty easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.